Welcome to Cole's World of Mathematics, where math is made simple and clear.
In this video, we're going to take a look at an individual integral. It's going to just be a beginning u-substitution integral, which would probably be found in your typical Calc 1 class. All right, but what we're going to do is we're going to take this inside part of the function, and that's what we're going to let u be. So we're going to let u equal that 1 plus 1 over t. All right, now we're going to take the derivative of both sides. On the left side, we'll have a du. Taking the derivative there is going to be a negative 1 over t squared dt. All right, now we're going to go ahead and solve all the way down for that dt. So then we'll have a negative t squared du is equal to dt. Okay, now we're going to come back up and we're going to start substituting here. So we'll still have our integral sign. We're going to replace that 1 plus 1 over t with our u, so that'll be a u to the third. We'll have the 1 over t squared, and then we're going to replace that dt with what it equals here, a negative t squared du. Now what that's going to let us do here is cross out those t squares and then take that negative and pull it all the way out in front. So then we're going to have a negative integral of u to the third du. Now we're all in terms of u, so then we can go ahead and integrate. We'll have the negative from out in front here. We'll add 1 to that exponent, so we'll have a u to the fourth and a 1/4 on the inside. We'll add the plus c because we're done there. All right, now the last step would be to take that u and plug it back in. So we'll have a negative 1/4. Plugging back in the u, we'll have a 1 plus 1 over t to the fourth, and then plus c. So a very straightforward u-substitution integral that would definitely be found in a Calc 1 class. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.